Okay. So till yesterday we have seen how we will going to do the what is that initial upload of the stock. That is first part, and second thing we have completed your stock removal strategy as well, right? So we seen that in the stock removal strategy and the put away strategy there are differences. In the put away strategies we have at the three levels. One is at the storage type level, section level, and the bin level. But the stock removal strategy we are having it only at the storage type level. And here we're going to define the rules, okay, and we will going to assign the sort field, okay, like on what basis I will going to remove the material, FIFO, LIFO, based upon the quantity, okay. So we have seen such things over here. After that, we will going to specify the search sequence. We have created REM1 and REM2, and we have created the stock removal control indicator SRC1 like that, and determination of the stock type, storage type search sequence for the stock removal. See, in the put away, you are having 5 parameters, but in the stock removal, you will not going to get the PED. Okay, you will be having only 4 parameters here. And the next thing is optimization, you already know. Okay, so and we have already seen that the how we're going to do the initial upload of the stocks. And today's topic it is about the outbound POSC. Okay. Okay, you have already know what is POSC. Okay, today we are learning about the outbound POSC. So it is also a process-oriented storage control. Okay, what you have done in the inbound POSC. Okay, we have given the steps, right? What you have done in the inbound POSC. See, first we're going to create the external steps. Okay, then we're going to assign the internal steps to the external steps. Okay, so we are created the external. We have to assign the internal steps to the external steps. Then we will going to create the storage process here. Okay, within the storage process, we're going to sequentially arrange the external steps. Okay, one after the other. What will going to come after the other, like that, we're going to arrange them sequentially. Then we're going to assign this storage process to the warehouse process type. Okay, whatever the storage process we have created, no, this one we will going to assign to the warehouse process type. Then POSC will be taken place. Okay, but what we're going to do in the case of outbound delivery. Okay, so here will be changing. Okay, it will be little change compared to the inbound delivery. Okay, I'll give the steps. Okay, first step, same here also we're going to create the external steps. Okay, create external steps and assign internal steps to them. Okay, this is the first step. Second thing is, again we're going to create the storage process here. Okay, create storage process and sequentially arrange the external steps here. Okay, and here only we'll mark the automatic HU, automatic what is that warehouse task or product HU warehouse task. Okay, here only we're going to pick them. Okay, automatic warehouse task should happen, or product or HU warehouse task where it should happen, and all we're going to pick it around. And here third process, actually earlier you were creating the in the inbound you were creating the warehouse process step, and for the warehouse process step you used to assign the storage process, but that is not the case here. Here one extra thing will come, that is called as a WOCR, warehouse order creation rule. Okay, this is nothing but the warehouse order creation rule. See, whenever you are doing the outbound, no, there will be so many outbound delivery items which will be coming. Okay, as I said, when I used to work for the what is that big basket, no, for every 15 minutes you will be getting some hundreds of orders. Okay, So we used to segregate them into the outbound delivery order. And those outbound delivery order, we have to take all, and we have to segregate them based upon the pick path or based upon the consolidation group. What we'll do, we're going to segregate them and we're going to create a warehouse order. That is what the warehouse order creation rule. What do you mean by this? A rule to create the warehouse order. That's it. It is a rule to create the warehouse order. Okay, you cannot directly assign this storage process to the warehouse process type here. Okay, what we're going to use? We're going to use the warehouse order creation rule to connect them. Okay, to connect the storage process with the WPT. Okay, and what is this warehouse order? We have already discussed. Warehouse order is nothing but the executable package which is having a warehouse task under it. And once we're going to create the warehouse order, we need to assign it to the what is that resource. Okay, we have discussed about this, right? So see, whenever if you go to mall and purchased items are more means, what you will going to do? Okay, so you are going to a big basket. Okay, you will be taking a trolley, or else at the end. Okay, once the entire what is that purchasing activity is completed, you will be coming at the uh, uh, cash counter. There you will be getting the he will going to ask you whether you need the basket or like means whether you need the polythene or like that. If you require that, okay. First, let us consider he will be filling one particular polythene. If the items are more, what he will going to do? He will going to take another polythene and he will going to fill it over there, right? So just like that, here also you can able to restrict the warehouse task within a warehouse order. Okay, how many warehouse tasks we require? Like that, you will going to restrict them. Okay, that is where this WCR will going to comes into the picture. Okay, so for picking, we don't use the POSC. You remember that? See, I'll just tell you about the what are the different activities there will be there in the what is that outbound POC. Here in the inbound, you have seen that unloading is happening. After the unloading, we will going to do the what is that deconsolidation, then VAS, then the put away used to take place. But here, first thing will be starting as a picking. Okay, picking. After the picking, what you will do? You will going to go for the packing. Okay, you will go for the packing. After the packing, you will going to stage the products. That is called as a staging activity. Then you will going to load the product. Okay, this is how your outbound POSC will going to take place. Okay, pick, pack, stage, and load. Here staging, whether you need to create the work center for the staging.
Yes.
No, staging is already there. That is the what is that? GI zone.
Area.
GI zone is there.
Staging. Yeah.
So GI zone is there, so not required. So only packing work center will be required. Whenever you have again some consolidation activities are there, you can do it in the packing station only. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so all these things will be doing it now. And as I said, okay, as I said, for what is that? POSC means HU is mandatory. You should remember HU is mandatory. You cannot escape from the HU. That is one thing. Okay. So after that, what you're going to do? Fourth step, we're going to assign this WCR to the warehouse process type. Okay, here so many things will come. Okay, I'll first. Okay, just take this. Okay, assign WCR to warehouse process type. Okay, then it should work for you. Correct. But without this also we can able to do it. Okay, because here whatever the determination of the WCR is there, we can do it based on the WPT or else based on the activity areas. Okay, we're going to check it, but as of now, in the today's class, we're going to see only about only about what is that with the WPT we're going to check. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to the SAP now. I am doing all the activities at once here. Okay, I'm not taking one by one. You already know. Okay, only packing works and we need to create here. So I'm going to do all the activities. Okay, so what we are doing first, we're going to go for the POSC, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. In this cross process settings, okay, under the cross process settings, go to the warehouse task. Under that, define POSC, okay, process oriented storage control. So I need to create some external steps. Okay, see here, A00 unload is there, no? Okay, here, AB what double one picking, AB 1 2 packing. Okay, like that they have created. You can use this also. If somebody else is created something, let us consider. Okay, here also something. Okay, AQPI pick pack like that. They have created some different things. No? You can use them as well because these external steps are not related to particular warehouse. They are independent. Okay, they are at the client level. You can use them. No, I don't want. I want to create my own. Okay, that is fine. So we're going to create the new entries for this. Okay, first I'm going to take the picking. I'll say double one PI. Okay, so that is nothing but the WH. Sorry, double one double zero pick picking. Okay, picking process. And here internal process I need to assign for this pick. Okay, here remove the stocks. How we gonna remove the stock? How we will going to remove the stock? Based on the strategy, right? Strategy is there. Based on that, removal of the stock will going to happen. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So next, I'll going to do the packing work center double one PA and say double one double zero pack. Okay. So here also we have to give the.
Yeah. Can you come again for that thing? What you put?
So for the picking, how we are picking the product, that is through the what is the strategies. We have the removal strategies, no? Based upon the strategies, picking will going to happen. Okay, correct, no? For the packing, we will going to take care of the further things, but picking will going to take automatically. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, after the pack, I have said staging. We have to do double one STL going to do double one double zero staging stage. Okay, for staging, we have to assign one internal process. Okay, here staging. Okay, and double one LD load. Okay, double one double zero load. I am going to give loading. I have to give the internal process step. Load. Okay, here load. Okay, just save these things. Okay, and now I have created the external steps. After that, what I have to do? I have to go to the storage process. Okay, here I'll say new entries. Okay, I'm going to create one storage process here. Double one double zero is my warehouse. Okay, I'll be creating one storage process as OBD1. Okay, outbound delivery. What is the direction here? It is the stock removal. Okay, you have to give the direction here. Okay, don't forget this. So once I'm going to give the create the storage process, under that I have to assign the storage process steps. I have to assign them sequentially. Okay, so I'll say new entries. Okay, sequence number will going to take automatically. I'll say double one PI. That is the first one picking. Okay, for picking, I'm going to create the auto warehouse task. Okay, double one pack. For this also, I'm going to say automatic warehouse task creation. Double one T stage. Again, I'm going to give the automatic warehouse task. After the load, will there NB means will going to create any warehouse task over here after loading? No warehouse task will be there. No. After the loading, the materials will going to get loaded. That's it. Okay, we will not going to create any warehouse task. See, this is the final step. So in the put away, we have created the final step as double one PY, that is the put away. After the put away, the material will going to go and sit in the one particular bin. After that, we shouldn't create any warehouse task for that. Okay, but it's the same thing here. Okay, after the loading, we are putting the material into a truck. So we shouldn't create any warehouse task over here as well. Understood, no? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Click enter, then save it. So next thing, what I'll be doing, okay? So now the concept of this storage process, we have to assign to the WOCR, that is warehouse order creation rule. Okay, where we have to go to the warehouse order creation rule. So go back. Okay. See, I have came to the warehouse task. Now I will go to the warehouse order here at the top. Okay. Go to the warehouse order. And here we are having define creation rule for the warehouse order. Okay, define creation rule for the warehouse order. Just execute it. If anything is there, just delete it. Okay, 1100. Nothing is there. Okay, say new entries. What will be there in the warehouse order? See, it is also empty sheet for you. Okay, how you want to uh, assign this, right? So it is a empty sheet. You can do so many things here. Okay, we're going to do one by one. We're not going to study everything at a time. Okay, we're going to do one by one. Okay, we're going to do it. But today we are just creating one warehouse order creation rule, and we are proceeding with that. Okay, we are not doing all the activities at once, right? So what I'll be doing in my warehouse 1100, I'm going to create one warehouse order creation rule, warehouse order, or else the WCR, I'll say warehouse creation rule, warehouse order creation rule. You will find it. Okay, that is one. I'm going to create few more later on. So that is why now I'm just creating one warehouse order creation rule. One. Okay, so I in my warehouse, this is my creation rule. Okay, warehouse order creation rule. The description I'm going to give 1100 warehouse order creation rule 01. Okay, so this is the description what I want to give. Here, creation category is there. Just give it as a pick path. Okay, so here you are having the different things: consolidation group, pick path, pick and pack, load or unload. Okay, all these things are there. Most of the time for the warehouse order creation rule, we're going to give the pick path. What is this pick path? What is this consolidation group? I'm going to tell you in the later stages. Okay. So these things definitely it is required. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay. So when I'm going to tell you, whenever we'll be discussing about how while creation of the wave, okay, wave template, that time I'm going to explain you this. Okay, because it will go into it will come in that particular concept. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about this and this item filter, subtotal filter, limits, all those things I need to tell you. Okay, these are the important aspects here. Okay, but as of now, I'm not going to do all these things. I'm just creating a storage process. I'm going to assign here. I have created the OBV1 as a storage process and just save this. Okay, this much you have given. Okay, just save this. Okay, I have not given any other things. Okay, I'm just taken through the pick path. It is going to pick the products. Okay, you can also have the consolidation group. That is also okay. But I'm just going through the pick path. And one more thing, I have given the storage process and I'm saving it. That's it. Okay, nothing else I have created over here. Just save it. Go back. What is my fourth step? Okay, what is my fourth step? I have assigned this WCR to the WPT. That one we're going to do now. Okay, just open your warehouse task, warehouse process type. Okay, we have created one more warehouse process type for us. Okay, so that is F210. For this, I'm going to assign this. Okay, go to the details. Here, warehouse order creation rule is there. WO rule. Okay, so this one you can see OBD1. I'm going to assign it and save it. 1 minute. OBD1 doesn't register. Oh, sorry, WCR1, no. I am assigning the rule here. I shouldn't assign the storage process here. Okay. So this is the warehouse order creation rule, what I am assigning. So WCR1, I have assigned here. Just click enter. Save it. Any doubts here until this? Okay. So now let us consider in this warehouse process, right? RS, in the entire POSC process, what is the last step?
Issuing the good.
Issuing the good. RS, last step, we have created this extra steps. No? What is the last step here?
Uh,
Loading.
Loading.
Loading. Okay. So what is the destination point for the loading?
They will load, right?
Truck only will load. But truck is in the warehouse? No. So what we're going to find? Door is the destination. Okay, we're going to see door is the destination over here. Okay, so that you have to create the door as a storage type. Okay, then we have to give a bin for the door. Then we have to assign it over here. Understand? You know? Here I have not created the outbound doors here. Okay, if you see only inbound door, somewhere else inbound door we have created. No, where is that ID? Okay, see IBDR we have created. Okay, inbound door, but whatever the outbound is happening, we are loading it through the door only. So for that, I have to create the outbound door and I have to assign it. Am I right? I will just do that. Okay, one by one. Okay, so that is why sequentially we should go. You can understand everything. So I will going to create one storage type now. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Action Warehouse Management, master data, go to the storage type, create your own. Okay, new entries 1100. Or else you just copy it. No, IBDR anyway it is there. You just copy it. That will be easier for you. Okay, 1100 IBDR. Okay, this one you just copy it. Nothing will be there using this. Okay, so only I am just changing it to OBDR. That's it. See everywhere. Okay, I have given the rule as F. What is this F? It is the door. Okay, I have to give this, right? So without this, we cannot able to create the door. Okay, door as a storage type. Okay, I'll say outbound. Okay, this role I have to give. And after that, everything is simple. Okay, confirm, put away. 4 I have given and 2 more. That's it. Okay, only 3 clicks will be there. Okay, so just save this. I have created the door. If you want, you create the section or else directly create a bin and we will going to use that. Okay, I'll just create the bin. I don't want the section. Why do you require the section? So if you are going, okay, if you are like as I said, if you want to put the material, what is that through different doors, then you need the section. Okay, if heavy material is coming, you have to go through this section. If lightweight materials are coming, you have to go to this door like that. You have to create. But as of now, we have created only one door. It is not required for us. Okay, so what I will do, I am going to create the bin. Okay, /n /scwr /ls01. Okay, 1100. I'll say OBDR bin 01. I'll say okay, and I'm going to give OBDR outbound door, right? So save it. What we have to do for the loading, I have to assign this to the WPT. Here, I have to assign that to the WPT. I'll just open this. Here we'll be getting the OBDR outbound door. Okay, just assign that. What is that bin over here? Okay, that bin over here. Is this clear for you? Any doubts here? Earlier, the staging was our final bin, but now the door is my final bin. That is by assigning this door. Okay. So then to create the loading step, we need to get a proper source. Okay. Correct, no? See, 1 minute, I'll tell about this. Okay, I'll just save this. Have you ever visited the warehouse? Anyone? Anyone? Nobody?
Small warehouse I use.
No, it's okay. Any warehouse. Okay.
Yeah.
1 minute. I'll just ask you one question. Here, where I have found my warehouse. Warehouse. Where? I haven't drawn the warehouse at all for you people. Okay, here is the warehouse. Yes. Okay. See, I have given this warehouse structure for you, and I have shown only this one as a staging, goods issue area. See, if you see the warehouses now, there will be so many different goods issue area will be available. Okay. Here also you may be having the goods issue area, and here also you may be having the goods issue. As the products are storing here, here also you may be having the goods issue area. So you will be having this staging area is there, no? Goods issue zone is there, no? You may be having a different staging zones here. Okay, but to create a loading step, okay, I am creating the loading here. Okay, let us consider. So we need to get a proper source for that. Okay, so see here, I am loading. Okay, some truck is coming here. I am loading to this through this door. Okay, through this door I am doing it. But what is the proper source? Okay, source is this one. Destination is the door. Correct, no? Means truck I cannot say. Door is the destination for me as of now, because door is within the warehouse. So proper source I required from where I am loading. You may be loading from here. You may be loading from here. You may be loading from here, because I said there are so many different staging areas will be there for the goods. So that what we need to do against the GI staging area, we need to maintain an external step. Okay, where we have to maintain here, I'll go to the creation of the storage here. I came to the storage type. Okay, storage type, and I'll go to the 1100. I will open the GI staging. Okay, GI staging. I am going to open here. One external step is there. See here, I am saying through this what is that staging area. Okay, through this staging area, I will going to load the product, like that. I'm going to say, got it? So what I'm mentioning is I have created the different extra steps in the PUC. Okay. So what I'll means what is the third step in the PUC? That is to stage. After the staging, we will be going to load, right? What I'm saying, there may be hundreds of staging areas in the warehouse, but I'll say this is the only thing which we're going to consider. I'll going to give my staging over here. Whatever the staging will be there, no? This is the process. After that, I'm going to load it through the 11 G. What is it? 11 LD is the storage step for the load. This is the external process. What I'm going to provide it here. See, you may be asking, Shri, like this is one staging area. I may be having a different staging area. There also loading is happening. Let us consider how I will going to load. For that, you create one more extra step. For that, you create one more what is that storage process, and you assign those extra steps over there, and assign the extra step in that particular staging area. Understood, no?
How many steps are there? That means there is the storage type we have to create and assign. That's the step. That is.
No, 1 minute. Here, where is the diagram? Okay. See, I will going to create one more staging area here. Let us consider. Okay, I'm not going to create. But just consider here also one more staging area is there. Okay, only two staging areas there. This is also GI zone only. GI zone 2. Okay. This is 1, this is 2. Now, some other materials are there. For that also you have created the POSC. Okay. So now this will be created. No, already it is available. You have created the staging group, something like this. Something like this you have already, not this one. You have already created the staging area for this particular part. Am I right? So next what you have to do, see, I want to load one material only through this GI zone. Let us consider. You have the 4 steps. Okay, 4 steps. What are the 4 steps? Extra steps. Double one PI, that is picking. You don't require any extra steps here. Means the same picking step will going to pick the material. Double one pack will be there. Packing also will be taken care by the same steps. Now double one ST have created. No, I'm going to create S2 something. Okay, this is the staging process for this particular zone. I want to define that. Getting the concept?
So different GI zones, different staging area we have to assign.
Different staging external step you have to assign, I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay.
See,
Yes.
for different goods issue or staging area, we need to do these external steps separately.
Correct. External step separately, and your outbound delivery, whatever we have created, where we have created. Okay. I'll just go back here only and come again. Okay. Here, POSC I'll go. Storage process I'll go. 1100. This OBD1, no, this will not going to work. Now you have to create OBD2. Okay. In that OBD2, you have to assign these steps. Okay. Again, loading, I'm going to say LD. Only for this particular thing, you have completely changed your storage process. Understood, no?
Okay. But here, this external step, another step we are creating the
Yes.
configuration.
Mm-hmm.
With the help of staging area group or something, can we reduce this step or not possible?
Staging area group means?
Is there any staging area for something?
No. You have to create this. Okay.
I have heard actually that is not. I don't have correct information.
Okay. No, what you are asking, I am not understanding first thing, but you have to create this, then only you can assign it to the here. Okay. You cannot just create these things. Okay, directly. Okay.
It's two configurations required external.
Yeah, here 2 configurations will be required.
And same is not there in inbound.
Same will not be there in the inbound. Inbound you have means there we are not giving. See, in that inbound we have not shown anywhere in the staging area. This will come over here like that. We have not given anywhere. Correct? No, we have not given the external step. But if there also, if you require, there also unloading step we have to give instead of this. If you want to have one more else, then for that you have to create one more inbound storage process. Then you have to assign those things. Correct? No?
Okay, means there also it is possible.
Yeah, it is possible. There also it is possible. You may be having the staging area, so many different areas. Okay.
See, whether POSC is applicable in input delivery also, just checking.
POSC you have done no for inbound delivery.
Correct, forgot. My God.
आप BAS के लिए पूछ रहे थे दिनेश भाई, डेकॉन के लिए पूछ रहे थे यार.
No, I have segregated the different process because I need I want to tell them individually, but here you already know everything. That is why I'm moving fast. Okay.
Oh.
Again and again.
अभी GI zone के लिए GI zone 1, GI zone 2 आप बता रहे हैं ना, वैसे वहाँ पर हमने POSC के लिए separately दिए नहीं ना. I thought in that way.
No, here also you can create. Okay, if you are giving the extra step over there for the unloading, you can create one more inbound delivery storage process. Then you can assign it over here. Okay, like this also you can do. Okay, so yeah, so now okay, we are at the what is that staging area? We have assigned it. Okay, here We have given this step, just save it. Okay, go back. Next, now we need to maintain a work center for the pack center. Okay, whatever the packing is there, no, for that we need to maintain the work center, correct? So for the work center, what we have to do? Tell me. In the deconsolidation also, we have created the work center. Have you remember?
Yes.
For that work center, what I have done? We have to create the storage type, right? First, we have to create the storage type. Okay, don't forget these steps. Okay, so you can copy any of these things, or else you can create your own. Not an issue. See, for the decon, okay, where is the okay DCTB something is there? No, I'll just copy it. Okay, for the work center, what is mandatory? This role is mandatory. Very, very important. Okay, and quantity check, capacity check is important for the work center. Only these two important. After that, the simple things will be there. Okay. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to create the work center for the packing, right? What I'll say, outbound packing I'm going to do. Okay, outbound packing. I'll say OBD pack. Okay, this is my work center. Or else, okay, packing is there, no? I'm going to give 11 PA only. It will be helpful. Okay, 11. Okay, I'm going to give 1100 outbound delivery pack. Okay, this is my work center for the packing. Okay, so you can create anything. Okay, you can give your own nomenclature. No one is going to ask you. Okay, but these things you need to discuss with the business. Then only you will going to come with the final. What is that naming? Okay, you cannot give whatever we want. Okay, so only for the practice you give your name also. It will going to work. Okay. So outbound packing we are doing. Okay, so just go down, see here, what else we have given? Nothing. Okay, I have given the confirmation remote and I have given the capacity check. Then stop, sorry, confirm put away, and what is the rule for the put away I have given. That's it. Okay, just click enter, save it. I have created the packing work center means storage type for this. For the means I have created as a work center only. Okay. Packing, I'll say work center. Okay, because we have created the role there. Role is work center role we have assigned, that is E. Okay, just go back, create a section within this if you want, or else leave it. Say inventories 1100 is my warehouse. Storage type is 11 PA packing, and section 0001. I'll say total section I'm going to use. Okay, anything, save it. One section I have.
See, packing, for packing only we have to create the work center. Picking, packing,
No, picking not required. See, in the inbound also we have created the work center for deconsolidation and VAS only. Correct, no?
Yes, yes.
So same here, packing only it is required. Work center. So go back. I have created the section. Now I have to create the bin for this. Okay, go here. I'm going to create a bin for this particular thing. I'll say 11 PA bin. Okay, so pack bin. Okay, I'll just create this. Click enter. What is the storage type? This is 11 PA. Storage section is 0001. Click enter. Save it. Okay, if you are creating the work center, just after creation of the your storage type as a work center and all, what we need to do now? What is the next process for us? Okay, we have to create the work center now, actual work center. Go here, see, specify work center layout is there, just open this. Whether we have the layout or not, I just want to check. Go to the position 1100. I have only two things. Okay, go to the 0001. Every time, okay, every time, whenever you are getting EWM, what is that system? Okay, let us consider your legacy system they are using. They want to switch to EWM system, means this 0001 will be the main warehouse they will be provided to you. Okay, this is standard warehouse which they are going to provide it to you. or else 1710. This should be there, but here some changes were happened. See, they have changed the things over here. But 1710 also they are going to provide two different what is that storage warehouses they are going to provide to you. Okay, you can everyone. Okay, everyone in every industry they are going to copy the things, then they are going to proceed for that. Okay, so for packing here, maximum functionality. See here, this is the packing work center VPMX. Okay, VPMX is the packing this one. So you just copy this, copy it, and create it for your warehouse. Okay, 1100 is my warehouse. That's it. Just copy it and save it. Okay, go back, save. Quality inspection and counting only possible with the transaction type 3. This is one error I am getting. Quality inspection and counting possible. Where I am telling this. 1 minute. See, quality inspection, they are telling about this, but I just want the packing. I don't want the quality inspection here. Transaction type 3, they are telling me to assign here quality inspection and counting, but I don't want that.
Yeah, quality inspection checkbox is there. We can remove that.
Where is
Right.
there? Quality
In this, in right side,
Okay.
last.
last, okay,
second.
quality inspection and checking also might be there. No, nothing is there. Okay, just click enter. Save it. Yeah, now it is saving. Yes. Okay, whenever you are taking the, okay, here there are so many things are there. Okay, if you are creating the packing means only I am taking the packing. Okay, if I want to go for the deconsolidation, some other trees will be there. Okay, so these things, okay, very expertise only will know about this. Okay, but whoever is going to create first, no, they will going to create all these things and they're going to provide us. SAP will provide these things to us. But as you are practicing all the time, okay, so here if you are going for the packing work center, and just tell you, go to the logistics, okay, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management, under that execution, here packing, okay, packing general is there. If you are going here, okay, I'm just taking one packing work center here. I have not created a, you can just execute. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Wait. Okay, I'll just save this. Come back. I have not created. 1 minute. I'll just create and I'll come over there. Okay, define work center here. Okay, I'll see new entries. And warehouse is 1100. Work center. I'm going to create 11 PA only. Okay, same name. Okay, 1100. Pack work center. Okay, I'll just do this name. External step. 11 PA is my external step. And storage type. What is the 11 PA is the storage type for me? Inbound section, outbound section. The repack product 3040 is the transaction what I'm going to use for the repack. Okay, and work center layout just now I have given no VPMX. That one I need to check it. I take it. Okay, VPMX you just take it, and RF is going to work for it. Okay, and just save this action, save it. I have created to run packing work center, right? So just go here, open this. I'm going to find the packing. Go inside. See, whenever you are coming here, all these things, if you know it thoroughly, okay. So this sections and whatever the things were required at the top, okay, how the tree should look like, okay. If you know all these things, no, you can able to do whatever you want in this particular field. Okay, just go back. Here you can do anything, okay, that is possible. But most of the time, okay, we will not going to know all these things, what is required, what is not required, right? So that is why I used to get, used to do copying the things, okay? So here so many things are there. If you are selecting something else, no, it will not going to show over there. If you taken the deconsolidation activity here and trying to save this means, it will going to see deconsolidation it might be taking, but for the quality inspection and all, it has given the some error. Here for deconsolidation, some other activity is there. Packing in the inbound, some other activity is there. VAS is some other activity is there. So here are the different activities which are available, these transactions. But as of now, we don't want them. Okay. So I just want to create with the packing. Okay. So what I have done, I have created the work center. Then I have assigned this work center layout also within that. Okay. After the work center creation, what you need to
Sri,
yes, yes,
one quick question, Sri.
yes.
Sri, in inbound, we had that VAS deconsolidation, right?
Mhm.
But in this work center, while creating here also, in each work center, what kind of work center we can do the changes as per our requirement. That is what you are trying to mention over here, right? Specify
Correct.
work center layout.
Mhm.
So here also we can specify multiple work center with multiple categories, same like what you are highlighting right now. Am I right?
Correct, correct. That is the question.
Yeah,
Yes,
because
yeah.
one work center we cannot use for multiple.
No. Multiple things we cannot use it. See, for packing only. See, in the packing station only, if you want to have the quality inspection and all, here they have maintained it. Okay, that will going to happen. If you want to count also, that is going to happen. Okay, in the same work center, it can happen. But sometimes for that, you have to do the proper transaction type, I said. Okay, for that process, like I want to do the quality inspection, I want to do some external what is that, the extra things also you can able to do it through the body functionalities, right? So if you want to maintain that, all these things are possible, but only when you're going to select them, and you have to give the proper transaction type for that. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So I'll just go back. Okay, so now we have created this work center. After the work center, what you need to do? Creation of the work center. Go to the logistics, SAM EWM, extended warehouse management. Don't forget these steps, huh? Okay. One after the other. See, 656, it started hanging. Correct, no?
Yes, every day.
Yeah, every day something will going to happen at this time.
Good for a day, yeah.
Maybe some other people may
This can be confused for us. सिस्टम को आप बहुत कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं श्री भाई.
सर्वर एक्सचेंज हो रहा होगा.
maybe server से वो
शिप चेंज हो गए.
हो जाता है. See whether it is going to happen or not. हो जाएगा. We have to wait. So all the time, just after creation of the work center, no, you need to do the attribution. Okay. So where is that master data? Work center. Here, define master data attributes. Okay. So for this work center, I need to assign my bin. This is the bin what I have created. So I have assigned it. Just save this. Go back. Got it, no? Any doubts here?
No.
So now we will go to the POSC again. Okay, we have done a few steps, but I have not completed the process oriented storage. Okay, this is the one step which is remaining with me. Correct, no? So which step I have to give here? Okay, see, I have created all the storage processes. Okay, all the sorry, not storage process, all the external steps I have created. But now, what are the different steps I have to do here? See, new entries I go. Whether I have to give it for the picking it is required. Is it required?
No.
No, it is not required.
Not required. So, picking if it is not required, in the picking I said, what is the source? How we have defined what is the source?
Storage type.
Exactly. Okay, because the picking will going to happen through the strategy. Storage type is the source over there. And what is the destination?
Dose.
No,
Dose.
no. See, after the picking, I have
GI.
wait. I have the step as packing. Correct, no? Step I'm telling. Okay. Yeah. Packing is the wherever the packing will going to take place. That work center is the source over there. Sorry, destination there. Okay.
Correct.
Now from there I have to start because first step is happening automatically. Second step, 1100. Extra step is packing for me, 11 PA. Okay, this is the extra step. And whether we require to view the source? No, because source has already taken. And what is the warehouse process step here? Okay, for achievement, external means we are moving outside means this HU step is not there. This is only for the put away it is available. I need to create it for the what is that for moving outside also I need to create. Okay, we'll just create it. Cross process settings, warehouse task, under that warehouse process type. Okay, so 1100 or else okay here only you can take. Just copy it from this one. Okay, this is the stock removal achievement. Okay, just copy it. Just change your warehouse 1100 and say okay. See here, you are not mentioning anything. Okay, your warehouse. This is a standard one. Okay, so that is why I have taken this one standard one. This is for the stock removal achievements that earlier 3060 was put away achievements, and here this warehouse process category will going to change. Earlier it is 1, here it is 2. That is for the pick. Nothing else is there. Nothing else. Okay, just save this. So I will going to take that particular step over here, warehouse process type. 3070 is for the stock removal. And once I'm going to remove, means take it, what is the destination? I have to put it in the packing work center, correct? So 11 PA is the packing work center. Okay, so here I have to give the bin also. What is the bin here? Okay, 11 PA is the bin. Okay, this one I have given. Next one, okay, after what is that? I have to do the staging. 1100, 11 ST is my staging, correct? No, and sorry, 11 ST is my staging. Okay, that is not coming. 11 ST, yeah, it is the staging. Okay, here also this so whatever the destination here, it is the source for this. Okay, 3070 I'm going to take, and here after that where it should go? It should go and sit in the staging zone. Okay, so I'll say what is the staging area for me? Staging area 11 GI, correct? No. So for this I just have to select one bin. Okay, any bin you take. Okay, I'll just take one bin. Okay, then 1100 after the bin I have to load LD 3070. Okay, so what is the loading destination here?
So,
Yes, OBDR, the outbound door I have taken there. So this is the door. Okay, just click enter. Save this things.
see, here we are not done picking, right?
Picking I have not given, yes. Because that is going to happen through the strategy I said. Correct, no?
That is imaginary process, not external process. Yeah, but picking from that you are going to pick from the storage location only. There may be some other location where they have the product from there also they can pick, right?
Yeah, they can pick, but for that also they might be having the strategy. If they don't have the strategy, then definitely you need to assign that step there as well. From where it should pick, that one also it should be. But we have the strategy right now. But most of the time, see, whenever you are sending the product, definitely we'll be sending it to some storage type only. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so from the storage type means it will be having some strategy. Not always you can say, okay. Sometimes you will going to do it manually also. It is not necessary that you have to have the strategy all the time. Sometimes they might be doing it manually, like we're going to do no. What is that? If we are saying picking, that time we're going to give the default value. Remember that? While creating the warehouse task. Forget or what? Default value is going to give no. Hey, 1 minute. It shouldn't be okay. I'll go to some PRDI or PRDO. Okay, go to anywhere. Okay, PRDI also it is okay. I'll just execute for my warehouse. Whatever the task which is not started, okay, just take this, go to the input into the following functions warehouse task. If you don't have the strategy, okay, we have the default value here. We're going to view and we're going to move, right? In this default value, I will going to provide my destination bin. Same case with the outbound delivery, we will going to provide the source bin. Have you remembered this? Okay. No, you just tell me if you have remembered. Or else we are going to process one thing, not an issue.
The default value
We used to give, then we used to proceed, right? So,
we have to assign.
so yeah, that is what the picking will going to given at the warehouse task only. Picking for the picking also we will going to give it at the warehouse task only, correct? Then packing, staging, and loading is happening over here. Okay, just save this. Go back. So now we need to do a strategy based upon these things. Okay. So what I'll do, I will okay. Okay, I'll just go back here. Goods issue process. Okay, now for the material 2 also, sorry, material 1 also, I'm going to do the what is that? F1 only. Okay, I'm going to assign F1 only over there as well. Okay, because I want to remove both the materials to F210. Then for F210, I'm going to process the outbound delivery. Okay, so now I'll go to the strategies. Okay, here I have created the rule and this search sequence it is over, removal control it is over. Okay, everything I have done, but determination of the storage type search sequence, this one I want to do. Okay, so in the determination, okay, what we have determined in the WPT, okay, in the WPT I have created F210, correct? No, that one I have to give it over here. See, I will go to the 1100. SRC1, it is 2010 I have given, before I have said, okay. For this also I am going to give F210 only, okay. See here, in the inbound side, how you have done, 1 minute. I will show you, okay, in the inbound side. See here, for both the things, okay, put one, okay, put one, it used to take with the 1010 process type, and put two used to take with the F010. Correct, no? Means what? If this is the what is that process process type, it will going to find the sequence two. If this is the process type, it is going to find the sequence one, like that we have defined here. Same way, we'll be defining for the what is that our outbound. Okay, for the same way, I'm going to define for the outbound. Okay, so for outbound, what I'll do, go back. Okay, so optimize. Okay, specify. Sorry, not this one. Sorry, go back. Goods issue. Okay, so here determination of the what is that storage? Define position 1100. Here I have already defined it. Okay, if SRC2 is there, F210 and F210 is there, it should find the removal 2. And if SRC1 is there and 2010 is there, it should find the removal 1. Like that, we have defined it. Okay, and only for F210, I have assigned the outbound door. Correct? No, outbound door I have assigned for the F210. So, but for what is that 2010 also I should assign it. Correct? No, that outbound door I should assign it for 2010. What I am going to do, I'll go to the warehouse process type. Warehouse process type. Here 2010 I am going to take position 1100. Here 2010. Okay, for this I have not yet assigned here. See, I am going to create the warehouse creation rule WCR1 here. Okay, this is the warehouse order creation rule for us. CR1, and here door outbound door I have assigned. Okay, as this is the final step. Outbound door. Okay. Just click enter and save it. Okay, so now all the things are done. Okay, all the process steps are done. See, SRC2, this is taking F210, SRC1, it is taking 2010. Okay, and what we have given, if whatever the picking is there, it will going to happen with the strategies. After that, it will go to the packing work center. In the packing work center, that is the second step. We are going to do the packing of the material. Okay, see, I am going to bring this material in one carton box and this material in another carton box. Then what we'll do, we're going to pack them, okay, in the packing work center. After that, we can we will just space them, then we're going to load them. That is what the activity now which I want to take. Okay, so just save all these things, go back. Okay, I'm going to create one outbound delivery now. Okay, just delete everything, remove everything. Whenever we require, we're going to take them. Okay, what is the /n VA, sorry, VM01 N? Okay, and what I have created order for the sales organization. I'm going to give 1100 is my sales organization. Just execute. Okay, I have created this movie. For some other purpose, I have created. Okay, 188 I will take. It might be for both the products. 1100 is my shipping point. Click enter. Yeah, both the products are available here. Okay, let us consider one material. One material I'm picking it. Okay, save them. Okay, I have created some outbound delivery here. Copy it. I have created this outbound delivery. Go to the PRDO script /n/SCWM. PRDO. Okay, just give your outbound delivery number, execute this. Okay, so we got the outbound delivery, but I should pack these materials because without HU, the POSC is not possible. Am I right? But where we are going to pack it? See here, we have the packing option, but we can pack it somewhere else as well. Somewhere else as well. I'll just show that. Okay. So go to the warehouse task. Okay. First material, I'll say create. Okay, it is picking from what is the source here? Some storage type one, it is popping, and OBDR is the one. Okay, we have given some or the other rules. Okay, based upon that, it is taking. So I will going to say create here. Okay, it is also taking from ST03, I guess. Okay, ST03 it is taking, OBDR it is going. Okay, it is doing the final pin, but it is not going there. Okay, we have to perform the different steps. Okay, just for select both and create the save. Now go to the confirmation page. In the confirmation page also you can able to pack them. Okay, here we are going to see, double click on this. We'll be getting the, what is that, this HU. Okay, at the confirmation page, you have the pick HU tab here, pick HU tab. Okay, now open the form view for this. Say new. Okay, I want to create the new one. Okay, create here. I'll give where it is happening. See, staging bin, storage bin is 11 PA bin. Okay, I'm going to create one packaging material. Packaging material is 1100 pattern. I'm going to do and say create. It will going to create one handling unit number for us. Okay, getting the concept?
Yes.
Okay, so I just created one handling unit over here. Okay, and I need to pack this material. Okay, so this one I have created in the packaging work center. Okay, I have created this. So in this, I want to store this products like that. I am telling.
So
Okay.
see,
Yes.
for here, warehouse task, we are creating the packing. That means packing the warehouse task, not material.
Packing material. This is the packing handling unit I have created here. This is the handling unit.
Yes, but here we are selecting the warehouse task and packing the.
Here is the warehouse task. Okay, this one, for particular warehouse task I am creating. Yes. Means this product should be there in this particular handling unit like that I am saying. Okay.
And another way we are creating the at the time of outbound delivery, we directly pack the material.
Yes. No, you cannot. Okay. Without the pure means POS is not going to work without the handling unit.
Okay.
You
Okay,
have
so
to
that
have
time, that time also you are showing we can pack from here also and
there. Yes. If you are packing it there, then it is not required for you. Okay.
Okay.
If you are not packing from there, it is must. I'll just save here. One thing I have done. Okay, for the same. Okay, this material also should be packed. This means you can able to do that. No, I want to pack it in some different HU. You can do that. Okay, both things are possible. I'll just do a packaging material here. Okay. Just say create. It will going to produce one more handling unit for us. Just save this. Okay, because HU we have given here, so that now we can go and we can see it in the monitor. Okay, so what I'll do, I have just saved this thing. Okay, I don't want to confirm this. Go back, copy this outbound delivery number, go to the monitor.
So Sri, in this case, there is different bin, that material was in different bin. That's why there is two warehouse task is created.
Correct.
And that's why we are created two handling.
Yes.
Correct?
No, it is not like that. Okay, see. See, what is happening? I am in the warehouse. Okay, here I want to pick. Okay, one material I want to pick from ST01 and another material I want to pick from ST02.
Okay.
One resource gone there. Now he don't have to pack it in the what is that different carton boxes. He will going to take the trolley. Let us consider trolley will be there, no? Okay, so he is taking the trolley. He is going to go to the ST01 and he is going to pick a material in the trolley. Okay, same trolley he is going to take it to the ST02 and he is going to pick the different material. That is also possible, but just you need the handling unit here. This trolley is a handling unit right now. You can pack both the materials in the same carton box. That is also possible. Okay, where it is possible, if you are asking. See,
So for that, first we have to pick and then this handling unit.
no. See here. For this, you have created the pick HU, correct? No. Pick HU you have created. Just copy this number that time. Copy this number. While creating this for this HU, just don't create the new one. Don't create the new one. Just in the handling unit, give your number. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, it will going to pick up.
So that you
Those things I'm going to do it in the later stage. Okay, so that is why I have not taken it over here. Okay, just we're going to just take these things and we'll proceed further. Okay, so just I am going to the monitor here and outbound delivery. Where is that? My outbound delivery. I have copied some different things. Wait, I have to copy it again. Copy it. Documents. Outbound delivery order. Under that outbound delivery task, we have to go give your order, execute this. Okay, see here two different warehouse tasks were generated here. Okay, just select this and say here, confirm it in the background. Save it. Refresh the screen. Okay, now see where the material is available. Material is picked from the ST01 and it is there in the packaging work center, correct? No? So just confirm this step also. Confirm. Okay, it is also in the packaging work center. See here, packaging bin, it is available. This HU, it is moved, correct? No? I am refreshing this. Sometimes system will not going to update automatically. That's why I'm just refreshing this. Okay. Now I will go to the packaging work center here. Okay, easy access.
It shows there it was giving message task created, but it is not showing here.
Pardon?
Task not created, right?
No. Task when it is going to create, when I'm going to do the things in the packing, then only task will going to create. Here task is created. No, these two tasks were created. Just I'm confirming them. What I'm confirming, they are there in the packaging, like that I am confirming. They are moved to the packaging.
It was showing 0888 or task not created.
Yeah, that task. Okay, where it is created? It is created in the packaging. Okay, those things we're going to see it in the packaging. We'll see that. Okay, see here. And go to the logistics, SCW, EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Here, go to the execution, packaging. Okay, packaging general. Give your packaging work center, execute this. Here, you have created the two different HUs. For the different HUs, different packaging has created. Now, where we will going to see that? See, create HU is there. No, I'm going to create one pallet here. Pallet material is 1100 PL. Pallet is the one I am just creating it. Execute. 1 minute. Product packaging material PL 1000. Sorry. Pallet material. Execute. Okay, one HU I have created here. Pallet. Now, what I'll do? I will going to repack the HUs now. Repack the HUs. So for repacking the HUs, here this is the one HU, okay, and destination HU it is asking, okay, or else what you can do with the product differences. Both the materials I want to pack it in a one HU means I can drag and drop Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So you can drag this and drop it in this under this HU. See, under the pallet I have packed both the carton boxes. Under the same pallet I have packed both the carton boxes. Means I am just like a consolidating them. Okay, I'm consolidating because one customer, what he asked is, I want one material from mat one material and mat 2 one material is asked, and he wants to get both these in one particular pallet. If that is the case, that is why I'm doing it like this. Okay, just save this. Hey, sorry, one minute. Saving this is like we have to create the complete HU process. Okay, so complete HU process means just go here in the detail one tab. Okay, so I have to say complete HU process. Now it will going to complete here. HU step will going to get complete. Okay, just save this. Once I have completed the HU process, go back to this, refresh the screen. See, it is created now. Got the idea?
Okay.
Earlier, they have created only for the packaging, right? In the packaging bin, it was there. Now see, what is the source now? Source is packaging. The destination also it is showing packaging only. Now these steps are completed. See here, these steps are completed. Now from the packaging to GI staging, it is going. That is the next staging is the next step, correct? No? So in the staging, it is there. So what you have to do, just confirm it from the backend. Okay. What you will do, confirm it from the backend. After the confirmation from backend, where it will go?
So
It will go to the staging now. Okay. See, it will the task is created. It will go to the staging now. Okay. From it is there in the staging area. From the staging area, we have to do the loading. So again, you just load it from here. Okay. Load it from here. Confirm from the backend. The loading also it is completed. Now loading also completed. It is just confirmed. Okay. No more virus task is going to generate here. Am I right? Is this clear for you people?
Yeah, final one.
Yeah, final one. There is no more virus task is going to generate here. So now I have confirmed, means I have completed the loading. Go back to the screen. Go back here. See what had happened. Okay, we'll check. Picking is completed, packing is completed, loading is completed. Whether goods issue is done here? No, you cannot able to do the goods issue from this particular end. Okay, so goods issue has to be done here. If you want to check the outbound delivery, you cannot able to see the outbound delivery. There is no outbound delivery at all right now. So you have to do the goods issue, then it is going to create the outbound delivery automatically. See, one outbound delivery has got generated. See, now if you are going to the outbound delivery, you can see these things. Okay, here these are the two materials which are packed. Okay, you can see the handling unit over here in this outbound delivery. Okay, this is the handling unit. If you want to see, want to go through the, want to learn more about this handling unit. Okay, just go here and display HUSA. Okay, under this two carton boxes are there. Under this carton box we have one material. Under this carton box we have one material. Okay, like this, it has given us the idea. Got it? No, now the goods issue has happened. Material is moved to the particular, what is that, vendor. But it is in the transit only. It should show. Where is that? It will show. Okay, when we're going to do the, what is that? Ad management, no, that time I'm going to show that. Okay, updates will come. Okay, whatever the material is there, 1 minute, we're going to check it whether it is going to show here or not. Yeah, it is show in ad only. Okay, when we're going to give the gate pass, no, gate pass means checkout. Okay, that time it will going to move out of the ad. That time it is going to show in transit. Got it? No? Any doubts here?
Yeah. Yes.
Any doubts? Hello?
No, Sri.
Okay, okay. So, this is what it is about the outbound process, okay? And tomorrow we're going to see about the outbound VAS, okay? POSC also the same step, POSC, but VAS we're going to include here, okay? If I include the VAS, how, what are the different changes we're going to come across and all, we're going to check it here, okay?
See,
Yes,
how much syllabus completed?
almost 65% or 70%, I can say. Because now your important things will going to start, okay? Some scenarios we're going to see. This is just simple things, okay? Simple things we have seen, but we have to look at the various order creation rule, how it is creating and all, okay? And have you had any, means anybody is having that syllabus copy, what I have shared with you? One more time, just open. I think I have shared it in the group.
Yes. Good.
Um, I have shared it, I don't remember. What else?
Search your syllabus.
July, I have shared.
Search for warehouse structure
Warehouse structure.
or no, you have shared the document warehouse.
Oh, like that, okay. EWM content might be.
It is showing there.
Where?
18 SAP EWM connect.
Oh, that is connect, okay. Yeah, here it is. Okay, we are here, outbound POC. Now we have to see the warehouse order creation rule, auto pick HU, Q determination, RF, replenishment, physical inventory, OPD, OCD, PPF actions, add, and these things are there. See,
How many days required?
for this completion of these things, I think maybe under 20 days. Okay, because I need to go little slow over here. Okay, few determination here. I need to show few things. RF, okay, it is a very big process. Okay, here I may require 2 classes here. Okay, in the RF. Then physical inventory, 1 class is happening. Replenishment also 1 class. Very simple topic. Replenishment and all, it is very simple topics. OCD 1 class. PPF action maybe 2 classes required. Ad management 2 classes may require. If I'm telling it 1 class, no, it will take around 2.5 hours, something like that. Okay, ad management. Or else, okay, it is easy only. We'll go through this. For wave management also, I may require 2 classes like that.
Yard management, maybe you can take on Saturday.
If you are available, oh yeah, Saturday will be available. No, everyone will be available. So we can take it on the Saturdays only.
That is required 2.5 hours.
See here for various order creation rule, I may require 2 classes. Okay, for this also. Topic HU simple topic, one class is enough for us. Topic HU means, see, I am creating the HU now and I am assigning it to the warehouse task, right? So in the topic HU, automatic creation of the HU is going to take place. Okay, that one we're going to see there. And yeah, outbound POC, enter 1 class I require for this. Okay, because I need to tell about the VAS. Okay, then we're going to go for the WCR determination. Maybe, okay, how many topics are remaining? So 22 to 32 means around 11 topics are there. For these 11 topics, yes, 20 class at least I require for. Okay. another month you can hold like 21, no, by next month or mid of May, I can able to finish the syllabus, okay? 15th May, something like that. I am going little slow only, okay? So if somebody is hurrying also, really sorry, because I want you people to understand the concepts here. If you are just going by doing very fastly also, it is not useful, correct? No? Today I would have covered the VAS also, but the VAS, for the VAS, I'm going to do some different outbound ability, how will going to happen and all, we can see that. The different process we're going to check, okay? So that is why. So we're going to complete, not an issue, okay? But in the 20 class, at least it is required. It is okay for you people, right?
Yes, no problem.
So you study thoroughly, then practicing will not be a trouble for you. Okay, you will be having all the videos, so it will be easier. But if you not having the proper content only, then studying might not, it will be tough for you, correct? So we'll try to cover this and a few more videos I'm going to create myself and I'm going to give it to you, okay? Like PP integration, okay? QM integration, those things I'm going to,
That is important.
pardon?
Integration is important actually.
Yes, I'll provide it to you, okay? I'm going to create the videos based on that and I'm going to provide it to you. Okay, but I have not included it in the syllabus.
Are facing this issue, sometimes they don't do integration and all that.
Correct. So they are coming under the advanced topics, okay? So that is why I have not included over here. So those things I'm going to cover, okay? Not an issue. Means I'm just giving it to you people only. Okay, so it's okay. We'll take that part as well. Okay, no? And few more things are there. Okay, here only. What is that? Serial numbers is there. Okay, that serial numbers I have not covered. Okay, anyway I'm going to make the videos of them and I'm going to show it to you. That serial numbers and all. Okay, so not an issue at all. Got it, no?
Yeah.
Okay then. Yeah, serial numbers is very simple topic, but you have to work on that. Okay, definitely you require that. I will just give you the videos. Okay, I have not yet created them. Okay, but if I'm telling all those things, okay, and a few more things are there. If I'm telling, it will going to become 40. Okay, so those few things you should learn on your own, but I will be supporting you. Okay, whenever you are asking the doubts and all, I will be there, and I'm going to support you. But along with this, I'm going to provide those videos as well. Okay, so like. HU labeling will come. Okay, that one we can cover it in the PPF only, not an issue. But next after that, what is that? As I said, okay, now only I have said no. What is that topic? Integration. Okay, PPQM integration. Okay, those things. Then the serial number. Okay, all those things I'm going to make the video and I'm going to provide it to you. Okay, no. Okay, then, yeah. So
Maybe you can cover all integration in one or.
no, it will not going to happen in 1 or 2 class for sure.